Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect your still with water system. During any distillation we have to deal with vapor which is arising through column and enters the condenser. And to cool it down we need to connect our condenser with water system. For this we supply our stills with such adapter which we will now connect to our water system. You need adjustable rubber to remove the thing which splits your water stream into many small streams. So we remove it. And then we insert our adapter. Then we plug our tube and the other side of the tube we plug with the lower tube of the condenser. So we will get the coolest temperature of the water here down, and from upper tube there will be hot water coming out. So now we see that water is coming out, and basically after this we can start our distillation. Thank you for watching our video.